In this explainer video, I want to show you how to install the MetaMask on your laptop. I'm using a Windows computer and we need to use the Chrome browser, and it's a Chrome extension that we have to download. So first you go on metamask.io, then you see this page, and then you go on download for Google Chrome. Then you say add. And here you are asked to add the extension, the browser extension. And now we will create a new wallet. So we agree, and then we create a new password. And we confirm the password. Then we tick off the box that we have read, and we understand that MetaMask cannot recover our password. So it's necessary that you take a book and write it down. Please do not store any passwords or later seed phrase on your computer. Here we see a small video about the seed recovery phrases. Those are 12 keys. So you go here and you say secure my wallet. And then you have a pen and a paper, so you can write them down. And then you write down the 12 seeds with number, and so that you can read them also in 1 year, because this is your security key, so to say, that if your computer breaks down and you need to install it again, you can only do it with your seed phrases. And that's would be the same thing, for example, on a phone, or if you change phone. So write them down, maybe in multiple places, and keep them safe. So normally I would go on next, and then they will ask me for the seed phrases one after one in a various order, but I will not do that. So I will just jump over it and say remind me later. So now my wallet was created successfully. And again, it's important to write down your recovery phrases and never give them to anyone, because any person who have your recovery seed phrases can go in and can take the money out of your wallet. Now I will go up here where the puzzle is, and I can pin the extension, the MetaMask wallet, so I can always see it. Here we see it, and I go on the pen, and then I will go on next. So now we have our main wallet. The MetaMask wallet is on the Ethereum main network, but it's a multi-currency wallet, and it goes on different blockchains. So here I need to change the network, because the CCFI token is on Binance Smartchain, so I have to add the network. Therefore I go on Ethereum mainnet on the little drop down arrow, and I say add network. Then I go and I choose the BNB Smartchain network, and I add this. And then it says if I want to add the network, and I do. And now I want to switch it from the mainnet over to the BNB Smartchain. So now we are on the right chain. Now we need to add the CCFI. Therefore I go and I say import token. So in order to import token, I need the token address. You will find that underneath the video. I have already copied it out and just paste it, and then it automatically fills out that the token symbol is CCFI and the token decimal is 18, and then you say add custom token. Now you can see you have the CCFI in your wallet, and after you have bought the wallet, after you have bought the CCFI, and it goes into vesting, and the first 10,000 you get directly into your wallet. Then you can say import token, or if you have received it through an airdrop, you can say import tokens now. You can see I have in this wallet, I don't have any, so I will just go back to show you that I have now created the wallet and I have added the CCFI to the wallet. Up here you can see your wallet address, so that's the one you need when you want to send or to receive. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.